And you have agreed to take on 3 of our existing IT department, 2 permanently and 1 on a short-term contract. Is that correct?
Yes. We do understand you feel that Bernard is front runner for the job of IT manager. We would like to arrange an interview with him, though. Can we do that on the 20th?
That won't be a problem. He will be working for you after all.
Good.
Can we just clarify this contingency sum for urgent projects?
Yes, Karen and I will agree a sum before the contract starts. I will sign for any expenditure.
Will it be in the contract?
The actual sum won't be.
I see.
Let's put a clause in which details the contingency option without saying how much it'll be. We don't want any delays while we sort out the actual amount.
We do want this to be up and running by the start of next year.
That sounds good.
So, we have agreed an initial 1-year contract on the basis of full support and minimal project work. We will meet again here to interview Bernard, and you will fax us your standard employment contract for the 2 permanent staff. Can we leave it here for today?
Could we discuss payment terms?
Can we delay that until the next meeting? I'm afraid I have to go now.
Fax us a proposed schedule and we can talk it through in 2 weeks.
That'll be fine.
I'm sorry I have to leave so abruptly. Sean will arrange a taxi for you.
Thank you. See you in 2 weeks.
Hi,
Yes,
Sean
you must
Morrison.
stay the night
Can I get a
and
taxi
see more
as
of
soon as
Brussels.
That'd be great.
Goodbye then. I hope we both got the deal we wanted.
I think we did. Goodbye.